channel. My name is Angel if you are new here, and welcome back to another video. So if you're not an Angel babe, all you have to do is smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell, sis, so you'll be notified each time that I upload. So in today's video, we are going to be doing this super beautiful everyday makeup look using a few new makeup products. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this look and these products, then just keep on watching. So hopefully I don't get any makeup on my outfit because I'm going to be extremely upset, okay, to say the least. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're gonna go ahead and start off with the face today. So starting off with my primer, this is a new one from e.l.f. and this is the Power Grip Primer. So this looks like it's going to be a dupe for the Milk Hydro Primer. I'm not really sure, and I haven't tried that one, the Milk Hydro one. To me, it just had too many ingredients in it, and my skin is already super sensitive, and I ain't want to be taking no risk, okay? So we're going to try this one from e.l.f., and I think the only active or really important ingredient in this one is hyaluronic acid. So let's try this out. And I do like that it does come with a pump. And I'm literally only taking a pea-sized amount, and I'm going to just pretty much apply it to where I normally apply my primer. I'm not the girl that applies primer all over her face. Like, I really just kind of apply it where I need it. So I'm going to do the same thing with this primer. It's a little tacky, but it's not like uncomfortable or like sticky. It's just tacky. It feels pretty nice, so let's see what it's gonna do. So moving on to my foundation, I'm gonna be using this one from Maybelline. This is the 30-hour wear foundation. It is the Super Stay Active Wear. Now, you guys know I actually wore this one yesterday. This is just the original 24-hour one. This one's in the shade Warm Coconut. Unfortunately, I couldn't find Warm Coconut, which is like my perfect shade, because coconut is just a little bit too red for me. So I got coconut, but as you guys can see, like, they literally look different. Like, this new one looks a lot lighter, and this is coconut. It looks a lot lighter than the Warm Coconut. So yeah, let's try it, and hopefully it's not too light or anything. Oh wow, it's actually a good color match. Very, very good color match. I do still see some of my acne scarring peek through, but for the most part, it literally just covered that right on up. I feel like the foundation is a lot lighter in the bottle as well. I'm like, where is it? Than it is on my face. So now that it's on my face and I'm kind of blending it out and everything, it definitely does blend a little bit better with my skin. And if y'all are wondering why my lips are kind of pink, I love it. They have like a little tint to them. I'm actually wearing the Fenty Beauty Heat Gloss Bomb. I love it. If you watch the vlogs, if you know, honey, then you know. The girls that get it, get it. And the girls that don't. I also will say that this is a more mattifying foundation, even more than the original one. It literally looks like I have already like powdered my skin and everything. This is actually nice. Like, I'm not even mad at it. Like, this is actually nice. I would say that I probably would use a more hydrating primer the next time I use it, probably, because or either make sure you really do your skincare really good, especially if you have drier skin. I wouldn't even use it, okay? But if you have like a combination normal or oily skin type, definitely make sure you are really doing your skincare and make sure your skin is well ready, okay? Well prepared and hydrated, okay? Because it is matte. Like, as you guys can see, like, I'm literally blending it out and it's turned into like powder. No foundation on my shirt. I'm here for it. If I wanted more coverage, I would definitely go in with an extra layer, but because it's daytime and I don't want anything too crazy, I really don't mind. And I don't think this has SPF in it. It doesn't say it, which is good, because the original one that I just showed you guys is literally like my go-to for when I'm going out and when I'm taking pictures. This is the epitome, okay, of no flashback. So now moving on to my concealer. So I am trying a new one, not a new concealer, but it is a new shade, and it is the e.l.f. 16-hour camo concealer, and it's in the shade Tan Sand. It's light as hell. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to actually mix it with my Deep Olive, which was a nice highlighting shade, but I want my highlight to be a little bit more brighter. And why am I using a matte concealer and my foundation is matte? I'm really playing games. I'm really trying it over here. So yeah, we're gonna go in with this one first. This is the Deep Olive, and you guys know this concealer does not bullshit, okay? Like, it is super mattifying, like, it don't play, okay? So you have to go ahead and work quickly and work fast with this concealer. And I love the hydrating one as well. You guys already know I love that one too. I just wanted to go back to this one and try it again because it's been a minute since I've used it. And I feel like this one also, if I can remember, gives me much better coverage. So it does, you know, covers a little bit better. And I really like the under eyes to be really nice and flawless. So I definitely think I need to go back to this one. Even try mixing them together. So now I'm just taking the tan sand, I cannot talk, shade right on top. And I'm literally just gonna focus this in the inner corner area. So literally right in there. And I think the reason why I get more coverage is because once you let a concealer set, like even if it's a hydrated concealer, you're just gonna get more coverage anyway because it actually has some time to dry a little bit. And I think being that this one is already matte, it doesn't really need time to dry, you know, so you're gonna get that coverage anyway. I hope that makes sense. So we're just gonna blend this out, girl. You don't even need to powder with this concealer as well. But I am a true believer in whatever liquids you put on your face, you must set with powder, okay? You heard it here first. Probably not, but I'm just saying. So now I'm going in with some Derma Blend, and you guys know I love this powder. Nothing new here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and set underneath the eyes and pretty much everywhere where I applied my concealer. So normally here is where I would normally set my face, but like I said, because my face is so like mattified already and my skin literally looks like powder, I'm not gonna do it. We're gonna move right into bronzer. So for my bronzer, I'm using Morphe, and this is just in the shade Leader. They have some really good bronzers, y'all already know. We also get to see how this foundation actually layers and work with other powder products without actually being set with a powder foundation. So we're going right in with the bronzer. Love a good bronze look. Moving along, so for my blush, I'm going to be using this one from NYX. This is their Sweet Cheeks blush, and this is a mattifying one. They actually have like a shimmer version of these as well, which is really pretty. But because I have texture on my skin now, I really don't care too much for a whole lot of glitter or like products with shimmer in it. And this was in the shade Bang Bang, and this is beautiful raisin. It looks like MAC raisin. It's like a berry burgundy kind of beautiful blush, girl. And we're placing it right on top of the bronzer. Okay, y'all know I need 2 dips of the blush, honey, because I love blush. Love it. Maybe 3. All right, I'm done before I get too crazy. So for my lips, I'm actually going to be doing this new combination that I wore yesterday. And if you guys watch my vlog, you know what I'm talking about. So this is MAC's lip liner in Chestnut. And I'm just going to line my lips with it. Lips are lined. So normally when I use this product, I use lipstick before I actually put it on, and then I don't really like it because it's not glossy enough, so I have to go in with the lip gloss. So that's 4 things that I have to use for my lips, which is crazy. But yesterday I used this lip product in a different way and I absolutely loved it. So this is the NYX, and I bought so many of these, you guys, like it is ridiculous. Like I damn near have all the colors. So this is NYX Maybelline, and it is a beautiful, beautiful nude. So I'm just gonna take this and put it right in the center of my lips. Look how beautiful that nude is. And you guys know I do freelance from time to time when people ask me. So I think I'm gonna buy one for my oh shoot, my makeup kit. So now I'm just taking this lip gloss from Revlon, and this is the Super Lustrous The Gloss, okay? And you guys know that I think Megan Thee Stallion is a brand ambassador for them, you guys. Y'all know I love Megan, okay? And this is in the shade Snow Pink. So I saw sis was wearing this and I had to get it. I've used this in another video, but this is just so bomb, girl. Like, you see it. And y'all, I was in Belk the other day and the girl pulled out the lip gloss drawer because I was going to ask her if they had a specific shade. They had hella MAC Oyster Girl. I love Oyster Girl, but girl, if you don't want to pay $20 for a lip gloss, get you this Revlon lip gloss. I literally compared it yesterday. I put Oyster Girl on my top and Snow Pink on my bottom, and they were damn near the same. I just think that that MAC Oyster Girl had a little bit more pink in it. But other than that, girl, they literally look the same. Especially like the iridescent, the shimmer in both, they literally look the same, girl. So now for my lashes, I actually got these off of Amazon. So this is what they look like. I don't really wear these because they're just a little bit too much for me. So I'm gonna put these on. These are pretty. They're long like these are too, but they're a little bit more wispy and not as black and thick. So I cut a pair yesterday, so I'm literally just gonna put the pair that I had on from yesterday on. So let me pop those on and I'm gonna be back. And of course, you guys know I'm taking some mascara, and this is just the Maybelline Big Shot, and I'm going to use this to blend my natural lashes with the falsies. And I'm applying a little to my bottom lashes. Y'all already know I don't like much product on my waterline. I just like my under eyes to look nice and clean. I would literally order these again, you guys, just to use these right here. They're long, they are kind of long, but these are really pretty. And lately I have been loving a faux mink or silk lash over a mink lash, because the band on mink lashes are just so damn thick. Like, why are they so thick like that? And these are just so much easier to put on. Like, they are just so pretty. So of course, taking my little nose snatcher. I can't believe I forgot to do this. And I'm snatching my nose. Girl, I forgot to do a lot because I actually wanted to wear highlighter too. And I'm going to take this super fluffy brush and I'm actually going to apply the color. And normally I would do this before I put on my lashes, but look here. And we're just going to apply it right in there. For my highlighter, I'm using this one from Maybelline, and this is the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in Molten Gold. And I'm literally putting just a little bit and blending it out. And I have been obsessed with doing my moles, so that's what I'm gonna do. So that is pretty much it for this makeup look. I hope you all enjoyed it. I just wanted to bring you all a super natural, everyday wearable makeup look, especially since we're in the spring months and we'll be going into the summertime really soon. I wanted you all to have a go-to makeup look, long-lasting makeup products that can really make the skin matte and just give what's supposed to be given, okay? And until next time, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.